Hello, Soul Tribe! Welcome to Soul Tribe PH. It's me, Anna, your certified international life coach and tarot and oracle card reader. So, if you want to avail my services, tarot reading, or coaching, kindly go to my website, www.anasantiago.coach. And please do follow me on all my social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook page, and TikTok, and also here in YouTube. Hello, Soul Tribe! Welcome back to my channel, Soul Tribe BH. It's me, Anna, your love and relationship mentor, intuitive life coach, a tarot and oracle card reader, an energy healer, and now a podcast host. For this particular video, we will be having your monthly zodiac sign reading for the month of July. This is for my dear Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Ascendant, Venus. For those who haven't generated your natal birth chart, punta kayo sa description section. I got there a link that can help you generate your natal birth chart. Kailangan lang yung date of birth, time of birth, and also the exact location where you were born. And if you happen to have Sagittarius as your rising/ascendant sign, then this is your reading. So, because of the article na nabasa ko, it's best for us to look into our rising/ascendant sign for accurate readings. So, without further ado, my dear Sagittarius, let's get you your angel number. Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, kindly give me the angel number for my dear Sagittarius. Okay, so we have here number 4, 5, 6, and 1. So, it's like a countdown, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so kindly go to Google search engine and search angel number 4561. Maaring there is a certain message for you that needs your attention with that certain angel number. You might be seeing a lot of 44, 44, 444, 55, 555, 66, 666, 11, 111, 1111, and also I'm seeing 222 as a confirmation of this particular reading. So, maaring those are the certain angel number na lagi mo nakikita recently. It's a reminder that you are on the right path at kung ano man yung actions and decisions that you are making, or this is a reminder for you to stay on track, keep a positive mindset. So, if you had came doon sa TikTok video ko or Instagram or Facebook page video, I have provided a teaser. So, I have pulled out the cards for you for this month. So, the focus of this month for you, my dear Sagittarius, we have here the 9th house. Wherein the 9th house is broadening your horizon, either spiritually, academically, on the long journey. For some of you, you are planning to travel or wanting to travel to soul search para to get to know more about yourself. For some of you, you are wanting to learn a new approach, a new talent, a new skill, kung gusto mong mag-level up. And for you to level up, you needed to learn something, you needed to invest in additional knowledge, additional insight. So for some of you, you are entering a certain stage in your life wherein you are searching for deeper knowledge, or kumbaga parang mas malalim na kaalaman. You are now embarking on this certain journey on getting to know more about yourself in a deeper perspective. So with the 9th house, it's all about learning. And also for some of you, might be you are enrolling yourself in webinar courses that is from a different country. For some of you, kung hindi nyo kaya makapag-travel outside of the country, outside of the Philippines, might be you are enrolling yourself in different courses, different programs that will be provided by a different location or different country. And wherein, this is one of the things that you needed to undergo. With the 6 of Swords, travel is highly forecast or highly channeled in your energies, my dear Sagittarius. Knowing you, mga dear Sagittarius, you like to travel. So, Sagittarius, you are traveling to calmer water. So, if you recently had encountered obstacles, challenges, setback, trial, you are now on the path of transcending to calmer waters. Ibig sabihin, papunta ka na dun sa maayos-ayos na sitwasyon, better days on the horizon. Kung recently you had encountered a lot of obstacles, a lot of challenges, ngayon medyo kalmado ang tubig at medyo nagiging okay na yung sitwasyon mo. And it's the certain thing that you needed to transcend. Kailangan mong pagdaanan kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo. You needed to experience all of those certain obstacles, challenges, setback, breakup, separation, those certain individual or people for you to learn the lesson. That is provided by every people, every obstacles and challenges that you are encountering. And the obstacle that you needed to overcome for this month, my dear Sagittarius, is lack of organization, lack of planning. Kasi maaaring for some of you, you are getting too attached, getting too far ahead in the future. So remember, the future and the outcome, hindi yun mangyayari. It will not take place. It will not manifest if you're not going to put in the work. Work is needed to be done. So, yung manifestation mo, whatever you are manifesting, it will be coming into fruition depending on your decisions and your actions. So, hindi lang magiging attached with the outcome. Don't get too far ahead in the future. Focus on the now. Focus on what you needed to do as of the moment. It's time for you to come to realization that everything that you had experienced recently in your life, your career, your finances, your love life, it's meant for you to experience, for you to learn the lesson that is provided by those certain circumstances. It's time for you to come to realization, contemplate on what you wanted to manifest into your reality. So by kumbaga contemplating, it's time for you to visualize, imagine, ano ba yung gusto mong mangyari with your career, with your finances, with your love life. And by that, it's time for you to set the intentions and the goals on how you will be achieving the outcome. So that is the action to be taken for you, my dear Sagittarius, for your life for the month of July. So let's see what is the overall current situation ng career mo, finances mo, work life mo, business. What is your current situation, current energy? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, kindly give me the current energies of my dear Sagittarius work life, business, finances. What is their current energy? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors. Currently, you are ending certain cycle. For some of you, you are leaving behind people, situation, mindset. Probably you resigned from your previous work and you are now embarking on a new company, joining a different company. And for some of you, you are leaving the old patterns or old habits na meron ka when it comes to dealing with your finances, dealing with your work and your business. So you are ending a certain cycle. In endings, in every endings, there is a new beginning. May bagong simulang paparating. But for you to start new things in your reality, my dear Sagittarius, you need to leave people, situation, mindset that doesn't serve your highest good. So the reason why that certain opportunity, that career, that financial situation ended, for you to learn the lesson that is provided by those certain circumstances. Kaya mo na-encounter yun, yung turmoil, challenges, delayed, bankruptcy, setback, trials. It's meant for you to experience so that you learn the lesson that is provided by those certain experiences. So what is the obstacle that you needed to overcome this month for your career, your finances, your business life, your work life? So, committing and being confident of yourself. We have the King and the Queen of Swords. So, magiging obstacle mo is committing and providing the efforts needed. Kasi syempre, kung gusto mong magkaroon ng pagbabago in your career, your work life, your business, the change that you want should start within you. Ikaw dapat ang unang maniwala at magtiwala sa sarili mo. You should be the first one to believe in yourself, to trust in your capability, to trust in your talent. It's time for you to be confident with yourself, and it's time for you to be logical. And again, it's time for you to cut off people, situation, mindset that doesn't serve your highest good. If that certain approach is not working anymore, it's time for you to revisit. It's time for you to reassess. Ano ba yung mga bagay-bagay that no longer resonated with you? Bakit hindi na siya nag-workout? What had been the pattern that you had been repeating? So this is the time for you to really contemplate on certain things that needs your attention at ano yung kailangan mong gawin to provide the efforts needed to achieve the outcome. So this is the time for you to commit and provide the time needed for you to contemplate on certain things that you needed to cut off, you needed to leave behind so that you will be moving forward to calmer waters. So what will be the outcome? What will be the outcome of your business life, your career, your finances? What will be the outcome once na nag-commit ka, nag-provide ka ng effort, you cut off the people, the situation, the habits, the mindset, the patterns? What will be the possible outcome of your career, your finances, your work life? There will be changes. Magkakaroon ng pagbabago. There would be sudden changes. Once you really commit in providing the efforts needed. Pag nakapag-contemplate ka na, you are really confident of yourself, you had been strategic now on your approaches, there would be changes on the horizon. But for you to welcome change, the change that you want should start within you. Kasi for some of you, you are having a hard time welcoming change kasi bagong approach, bagong management, bagong technique. So it's a different thing, a different feels. And it's telling you, for you to make the necessary changes, kailangan mo mag-adapt, kailangan mong i-welcome yun. You need to embrace those certain changes. Kasi kung hindi ka willing mag-make ng change, then walang magbabago. You will be having the repetitive pattern. It will be a toxic cycle. You will be doing it again and again. Hanggat hindi ka nag-i-initiate to let go of that old self, old habits, old mindset that you have when it comes to your career, your work life, your finances. So kung gusto mong magbago yung buhay mo, yung career mo, yung habits mo, yung financial situation mo, the change that you want should start within you, my dear Sagittarius. Okay, so let's see what is the current energy of my dear Sagittarius relationships, love life. It regardless if you are single, in your self-love, self-care, healing journey, in your boyfriend, girlfriend situation, or marriage, soulmate, twin flame, what is your current situation, current energy? So current energy, you are, kumbaga parang giving yourself the kind of love, care, value, respect that you deserve. Or for some of you, you are wanting to offer new love to other people. Gusto mo ibigay yung cup mo. You wanted to give generously to everyone else around you. You wanted to give selflessly. Then again, how you are giving away all of your time, love, and effort, my dear Sagittarius, is how you are teaching them to do that to others, pero hindi sa'yo. Okay? So, the way that you are putting them first, prioritizing other people, the more that you are giving away all of your time, love, and effort, energy to everyone else other than you. So, for you to welcome new beginnings, new love, renewal of love, imbis na i-renew mo yung love with other people, you had to renew that love within yourself. You had to be the first one to like, love, respect, and accept the person that you are seeing in the mirror, which is you. So before you give this love to others, make it a point what you are giving is in the overflow. Excess na to sa pagmamahal, respeto, at pagpapahalaga that you have. Kasi you're the one who's going to set the standards, my dear Sagittarius, on how you are treating yourself, loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself is how you're going to receive it from others, not the other way around. What is your obstacle? Dami. What is your obstacle, my dear Sagittarius? What is your obstacle when it comes to your relationship or your love life? What is the obstacle that you needed to overcome? Angel, Spirit, Universe. So the obstacle is rekindling. So we had two aces here. So meaning to say, before mo i-rekindle or waiting for that confession, waiting for that reconciliation from other people around you, you had to be the first one to forgive yourself. Okay? Don't wait around for that offer, for that love, for that reconciliation, for that confirmation, or that confession. Whatever that you will be receiving from other people na love, care, value, respect, apology, it's only an additional. So for you to be able to move forward, move to calmer waters, you need to be able to forgive the people who have hurt you, forgive the situation that caused you pain, and also forgive yourself. Pero if forgiveness cannot be given, my dear Sagittarius, the only thing that you can do is to take the insight, take the learning, and apply the necessary changes in the now so that it will not be affecting the future. So the problem, the obstacle that you needed to overcome is, instead of waiting for that reconciliation from other people, waiting for people to ask forgiveness or to rekindle that love, waiting for that certain person to choose you, to love you, to respect you, to value you, ikaw dapat ang unang magmahal, respeto, at magpahalaga sa sarili mo. You need to be the first one to love yourself, value yourself, and respect yourself. So instead of wasting your time, love, and energy putting other people first, it's time for you to invest it in more productive channels, like learning a new skill, learning a new talent, getting to know more about yourself, my dear Sagittarius. What will be the outcome of your relationship? Kasi ang una mo relationship that you needed to establish is your relationship with yourself first. So for you to have a healthy, loving, committed relationship with someone, my dear Sagittarius, you need to have that healthy, loving, committed relationship with yourself first. So what will be the possible outcome of your love life, your relationships? So the possible outcome will be the wheel of fortune. There would be change again with the cycles. But for you to welcome this certain change, the change that you want should start within you. Okay? So, para umikot yung gulong, kailangan ikaw yung mag-set ng initiation. So, di ba yung push, ikaw dapat yung mag-set ng standard on how that certain wheel is going to turn. So, nasa iyo yung pressure, nasa iyo yung initiation. So, yung wheel, if you imagine the wheel, para umandar yung gulong, kailangan mo itulak. You needed to push the wheel. So, the wheel of fortune will be turning, but it will be depending on you on how you will be initiating it. Paano mo sisimulan? You are the one setting the standard on how you are going to be loved, cared, valued, respected, and treated by other people around you. So, the way that you are treating yourself, loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself is how you're going to receive it from others, not the other way around. So, let's get you your overall guidance, my dear Sagittarius. Overall guidance for my dear Sagittarius. Overall guidance, please. Ooh. So, the overall guidance we have here, Lady Venus, downloads and understanding. Truth is being revealed. Deep insights are coming from heaven and the astral realm. So, it's time for you to step back and see the bigger picture on why things are currently happening in your life, my dear Sagittarius. Everything happens for a reason. Nothing is a coincidence. It's either a blessing or a lesson for you to learn. So, let's get you your angel messages. What is the angel messages for my dear Sagittarius? So, your angel messages, we have here 10-10. I think I have this, diba? 10-10, I am patient. Keep your thoughts positive and be patient as everything is working out for your highest good. Trust that your angels are working behind the scenes to help you. So, it's time for you to surrender. Trust the universe, trust the process. Because the important thing, my dear Sagittarius, is not the outcome, it's not the money, it's not the relationship, it's not the position, it's not the fame. The important thing is the process or the journey on how to get there. Kasi kung ultimo yung process or yung journey, hindi mo siya ma-appreciate, you cannot appreciate the journey, the process, you will not be able to sustain and appreciate what will be the outcome. Okay? So, let's see what is your affirmation. What is the affirmation for my dear Sagittarius? What is the affirmation for my dear Sagittarius? What is the affirmation for my dear Sagittarius? So, the affirmation we have here, I am making myself a priority and taking care of me. So, it's time for you to put yourself first again with the Ace of Cups. So, before you offer your cup to other people, make it a point kung ano man yung ibibigay mo na love, care, value, respect to other people, it's in your overflow, meaning to say, excess na yun. Kumbaga, magbigay ka lang ng sobra sa meron ka. Hindi yung buong buhay mo, buong pagmamahal mo, buong pagkatao mo, ibibigay mo sa mga ibang tao. You're losing yourself along the process of trying to put everyone first. So, what is your messages from your spirit guides? What is the messages from your spirit guides, spirit animals? So, we have here Falcon, Perigene. Act on the opportunity that's before you and commit to it without equivocation. So, this is the King of Pentacles here. You need to commit and provide the efforts needed. Kung gusto mong magkaroon ng changes when it comes to your career, your finances, your love life, you had to be committed to yourself. The first commitment that you needed is not from a partner, from other people around you, from an opportunity. It's committing to yourself. Ikaw dapat ang unang mag-commit, mag-provide ng support, ng love, ng care, that value, that respect to yourself. Kasi again, you're the one who's going to set the standards. You're going to be the one that set the bars on how you're going to receive that from other people or situations around you. So last one, last message for my dear Sagittarius. So we have here the Cardinal. The polarities of your spiritual pursuit and physical pleasures are out of balance. So do whatever it is necessary to bring them back into equilibrium. Your imbalance, my dear Sagittarius, imbalance in a sense that you had been giving away too much of your time, love, and effort to everyone else other than you. So this is the time for you to give yourself the love, the care, the value, the respect that you deserve. Ibigay mo naman muna sa sarili mo kung ano man yung inaasam mo, what you had been longing for from other people around you. Kasi whatever you're going to get from other people around you, the love, the care, the value, the respect, it's only an additional. Because it's not their obligation to love you, to respect you, to value you. It's your obligation to yourself. So this is what I got for you, my dear Sagittarius. If this happened to resonate with your situation, do give me a like, comment, and share this video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell button for you to get notified of my latest updates here in my channel. And if you wanted to avail my services, tarot reading, and to join my coaching and mentoring program, which is Heartful Connection, kindly message me on Instagram or Facebook page, Soul Tribe PH, Coach Ana Santiago, with the word tarot for tarot reading, coach, or self-love for the coaching program, or to sign up to my Heartful Connection. By the way, I will be having my webinar on July 3, which is Heartful Connection. It's somewhat a coaching call. If you're interested, do message me the self-love, the word self-love, for you to register in that certain webinar. This is what I got for you. Sending you much love and light. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.